Alrighty, my friends. So today I am going to read to you about the Statue of Liberty. And just like the White House, we did read about the Statue of Liberty when we were back in class, but I thought this would be a good reminder. So the title of this book is Hello, America, Statue of Liberty. And then over here is the table of contents. Remember, it tells us what is happening and on what page. Lady of Light. There she is. Ooh, the Statue of Liberty. She is on an island. It is in New York Harbor. So this is an island. An island is water. Excuse me. An island is land that is surrounded by water. And then a harbor is water where boats come by. Wow! She is tall. How tall? She is 151 feet. Who made her? Builders in France. What part are they building right here? What do you think this is? It was 1886. She was a gift to America. She is a symbol of freedom. She holds a book. What is written on it? A date. July 4th, 1776. That's America's birthday. We celebrate on July 4th. We're celebrating the birthday of the United States. Pretty cool, huh? She has a torch. It is lit. She holds it high. Can anyone guess what the torch is made out of on the Statue of Liberty? Hmm. Some of you may have seen it. What do you think? Let's see if the book will tell us. She wears spikes. How many? I want you to count the spikes now. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. We can go inside. Let's go up. Wow, there are lots of stairs. Look, we can see far. Now, that is true. People can climb the Statue of Liberty. Well, not now because we can't do anything right now. But once everyone is healthy again and it is safe, people can climb up the Statue of Liberty. It's really cool. I've never done it, but I would love to do it someday. We love Lady Liberty. Okay, so if we look here, this gives us some information. It talks about her torch. Now, do you guys remember I asked you to tell me what the torch is made out of? Let's see if it tells us. The flames of the torch are gold plated, so they are made of gold. So it looks like it's fire. And then the spikes. The Statue of Liberty's crown has 7 spikes. They are meant to be a halo, which is a circle of light around her head. And then a crown. There are 25 windows in the Statue of Liberty's crown. And remember, she's holding her book. The date on the front of the book is the day the American colonists declared themselves a separate country, independent of British rule. Remember, we talked about that too when the pilgrims got on the boat because they didn't want the king telling them what to do. So they got in a boat and came to the United States. And then more and more people did that. So when George Washington was the president, remember we talked about him too? Well, before he was the president, he was a general, and remember he was a very brave general, and he helped the United States win independence, and we officially were our own country on July 4th. So pretty cool. Hope you learned something new. And again, your assignment today will be to tell me 3 things you remember about the Statue of Liberty. So I'm glad you listened. I can't wait to hear your responses. Bye.